Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo, and I'm with Rob. And together we're going to show you a brand new product from Datavideo. Actually, it's a brand new kit from Datavideo, the KMU-200 Kit. The KMU-200 Kit includes the KMU-200 and the brand new PTC-280. This is together allows me to have 5 different camera angles from one camera. I can also bring in a laptop and plug that in and bring in a PowerPoint or a graphic for my presentation. So let me show you all the different angles that I have right now. This is designed to be a one operator solution. I'm the one operator in this case, so let me just show you the different shots from this, what I have right now. This is camera angle, wide angle that I'm looking at now. Then you got a close-up of me. And now I can switch over to camera angle 2, which is Rob. And then we have camera angle 3, which is going to be the KMU-200. Camera angle 4 is a close-up of the PTC-280. And then I have my laptop connected, which is going to be a PowerPoint. Let's go back to full screen. And let me first show you back to me here. I'm going to hold up the camera, and I'm going to show you the back of the camera. This has, it's full 4K 60p. That's what's amazing about this. 12x optical. I have SDI out, which is 3G or HD. And then I have the 4K 60, that's the HDMI output on this, and that would be connected with the KMU-200. What I'd like to show you is a few more features of the KMU-200. I can hand it off to Rob. He's going to tell you about the audio.
So here on the KMU-200, we have 2 XLR and TRS inputs on here. These are the pan pots, so mic level 1 and 2. And it has aux in as well as digital, so you can de-embed audio from the digital source. Here's another great accessory to go along with the KMU-200, which is a little 2-channel audio mixer, and I'm just running RCA out of that into the back of the KMU-200. Craig, over to you.
Thanks. This is really a credible unit. It actually will stream and record from the unit. Actually, it will stream to 2 platforms. It has built-in streaming capabilities and recording. Let me show you a slide right here. There's a slide that shows you how you can output 2 streams to, say, YouTube and Facebook at the same time. And you can also add an MP4 card, SD card, and record MP4 right onto the SD card. And let me bring you back over to my shot here. I can take it right out of the unit here. You can see it, and just slide it right back in here. And then I start my record. So this is basically a complete system for your 5 cameras, streaming and recording, and your PowerPoint all in one box. Let's go back to my full screen here. And basically what we want to do is talk about some applications for the KMU-200 kit. Rob, you have some ideas about the kit itself?
Yeah, Craig, thank you. And as we all know, the KMU-200 is such a versatile product. Many people are out there actually doing a lot of Zoom applications, so we feel like the KMU-200 is perfect for increasing your production value in a Zoom call. And to demonstrate a little bit more, I'm going to talk a little bit about this particular product here, which is the CAP2. It's an HDMI to USB 3 capture box that I can take right into my Zoom. So I'm going to pull this up right now. I'm going to have a Zoom call go, and we'll initiate that Zoom call. And let's just show you how that all works. I'm going to do a real quick screen record. And now I'm in my Zoom call, and you can see that I've already selected the KMU-200. I can also switch to my camera on my laptop and switch back to the KMU-200. Super, super easy to switch back and forth. And now I can switch my entire show on my Zoom call or go to my PowerPoint presentation on my Zoom call. So a really, really useful, versatile tool for doing improvements on making a professional Zoom call presentation. Craig, over to you.
Thank you. Reach over here. There's other applications too for the KMU-200 kit. Lots of opportunities in churches and schools. We have weddings, funeral homes. All these have an opportunity to have one camera, but allow 5 angles of that camera from one unit. You also have the option with the PowerPoint presentation. So I can bring in my laptop, it can go right in here, just as a reminder. I can switch right back to it. And that's all part of the KMU-200 kit. I can even crop the shot with a remote control that comes with the camera, so I can frame my shot just right and be able to not even have a camera controller necessary in this workflow, because I'm doing all my shots on the KMU-200. There you have it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and all our social media, and thanks for watching.